up, YouTube? Thank you for tuning back into my channel featuring me and my pajamas, because you know it's a Saturday while I'm filming this. So you know, what better way to make a video than in your PJs? Can I get a yay, okay? Again, guys, I just want to take a minute out and just thank you guys for everything. We are at 28 subscribers. 28 subscribers. Like, that sink in. When I first started, I had 1 subscriber. Then I got 8. So to go from 8 to 28, that is amazing. I know it doesn't seem like much to you guys, but it is a whole lot for me. So continue to like, share, comment, subscribe, all of the good stuff that y'all are doing. Continue to do that for me. And let's see if we can get to 100 subscribers. I know we can, because we went from 8 to 28. And that is a lot there. So thank you guys again for everything. I really do appreciate it. So before I start crying, let's just get into the video. A little birdie told me that they like when I try new things, because I am a very strange person and I react very strangely. So today I have a cool little package from Turkish Munchies. They have all sorts of midi. You can get a small pack, a big pack. I think they even have some with like coffee and stuff in it. This is a really cool international type of deal if that's something that you would be interested in. They're great for gifts and all of that stuff. So just make sure you, if you're interested in it, just make sure that you try it out. They have all kinds of sizes, different kind of brands, all of that stuff. So make sure you give these a look. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So when I open up the box, this is what it looks like. It comes with a menu with everything that it has in there, like a list of everything. So the first thing we're gonna try out the crispy. It looks like it's cheese chips. Let's see if we can find it in the family. Crispy. These are the chips. Found it. This is a new invention. It is somewhere between a savory cracker and chips. You decide which snack category best describes these crackers. Give it a tap. And if you know, you gotta wake up the seasoning. They're sweet fish, okay? They're Swedish. They're giving me the Ritz baked cream cheese cracker vibes. I don't know if I would be like, I need these in my life, you know? I would just get the Ritz crackers, because they're like a sour cream and onion type of thing, but they're like, I don't know. Next, we're gonna try the biscolata mood. It's a whole mood, okay? Now let's see what kind of mood this gonna get us in. These are chocolate bombs with fortune-telling capabilities. Each one has a small picture on it with an explanatory list for each printed on the back package. This one comes with 30 different fortunes. Wonder what do they mean? Go ahead and access on Instagram with a picture of your cookie. Do not try to fill your mouth with more than one cookie at a time and care about your fortune. Let me see. So this is the box, and this is what it comes in. And the fortunes on the box is not in English. So they're like literally like little pouches. And it has the fortune on it too. So they're like fortune cookies without the paper. Which I actually like this concept because me, when I like to eat, I like to eat. I don't want to be pulling stuff out of stuff. You know, ain't nobody got time for that. So without further ado, let's take a test. You know those elves with the fudge? These are really good. They have they're like the fortune teller cookies, but with chocolate in the inside, like creamy chocolate, and it's not that overpowering. This would be really good with milk. Like I would order these just for that. These are really good. Next one we're gonna try, since we're on a chocolate run, is the Osmo Burger. Osmo Burger. So Osmo hamburger is a funny snack for both kids and adults. It's a hamburger shaped biscuit filled with chocolate cream. It's a cartoon illusion character like Bart Simpson. Does he look like Bart Simpson? Am I tripping? Anyways, let's give this a taste. So some of my hamburgers are not put together, but look at this one. It is so cute. It has like the little sesame seeds buns, and the chocolate is a burger. Let's give that beauty a look. Look how cute. These are really good. These have like a buttery, fragrant taste to it almost, you know? Whereas the biscolata, these have like a fortune teller cookie feel to it. These are actually like a biscuit. These are really good. I like these. So to break up the sweetness, I can read this. This is the pizza cracker. It looks like this. Now, I don't really like pizza flavored things. I think pizza is supposed to taste like pizza, which is the pizza, and not crackers tasting like pizza, but you know, to each his own. Like, it is what it is. Not Eddie Pizza, but pizza was first introduced to the Turkish market in the early 90s. And it was a failure. Oh, well, I'm sorry about that. Turkish people did not like it, and almost all pizza restaurants were closed within a few years. Well, this is getting really dark really fast. This was until Ninja Turtles started to screen on TVs. All of a sudden, Turkish mothers ended up with their children pestering and nagging to have pizza. This gave an opportunity to pizza producers to rise from their ashes. So I got a question. Do Turkish people actually like pizza, or they're just doing it because some turtles in the sewers eat it? Like, that's a bad concept. So we just got a whole lot of Turkish people eating bread and sauce and cheese that they absolutely hate, just because some turtles in... If pizza does taste like this in Turkey, I wouldn't like it either. This tastes like what cardboard smells like, wet with too much oregano. Stop eating stuff you don't like. No. Next we have crispy. Is that hot? Let's see what this is talking about. So the crispy, you either get both of these options, hot and or spicy. They're hereby one. The hereby one is covered. The herby one is covered with 10 different herbs, Tasha. Like, what is going on with you? Like, if you can't, at this point, you should just. All right, y'all, I'm leaving. Let's give this bad boy a try. I don't know if I showed you guys. It's giving me more like a seaweed type of feel to it. So this is the packaging. It's really cute with the 10 spices right here falling off the biscuits. Let's give it a try, or the crackers. Sorry. These have like a musty. It's like they have a cheesy taste to them. They are nasty, but they're not nasty, but they're good, but they're horrible. You know? It's like I can't fault. I can't stop eating these Crispies. Okay. Next, I think they like their chocolate honey, so I might need to have to go down there and be like, stop! Aren't you like chocolate? You know what I'm saying? Okay, so this one is the Brownie Gold. I'm pretty sure it's just a brownie. But I might be wrong. I might be wrong. I didn't slow that down. That was my voice. Impressed, Mr. Krabs? Classic one with plain and cherry infused goodness options. The wet texture and the intense chocolate flavor distinguishes the cake from others. It looks like it has like a little dot on there that looks red, so maybe this one is the raspberry filled one, or I don't know if all of them are raspberry filled. I don't like filled things except for custard filled Krispy Kreme donuts, not hot and ready, but damn. So let's give this a taste. It smells like a Little Debbie brownie, and it comes in this cute little tin. I mean, it's not tin, it's paper, but here we go. I like the idea of it, but again, filled things aren't my thing. I mean, it's very cakey in the inside, so I don't know if it's supposed to be like that, or if it's just like infused, you know what I'm saying? Like it's just supposed to be flavored cake or something. I don't know. But I like the idea, but the texture and everything, I just can't get past it. But if you're into stuff like that, it would be really good for you. Like it tastes very artificial, syrupy, very syrupy, but the flavor ideas is a good thing. It's a good thing. So next, these look like regular pretzel crackers. These are salty stick crackers. That's what it says on the back. So I'm imagining these are just regular Pocky sticks without chocolate. And I was right. They're like pretzels. I love me some pretzels. All day, every day, baby. Next we have Sister Somali. Sister Salamani. Okay. Yeah, totally. Ask me. I am Turkish. So they tell us in the description it means sesame sticks. Turkish people love sesame. Almost all of our bagels are covered with sesame, which we call it. Y'all already know I can't read this all. I try to read something else in the best night. So yeah, they're sesame sticks. They're telling me what they call them and how they pronounce them. And all right, let's give this bad boy a try. This is what the packaging looks like. Our stuff doesn't really look this good. Everything's always like white or bold letter. Nothing looks this cool. You know what I'm saying? But I've lived in America my whole life. Maybe Turkish people feel the same way about theirs and think ours look cool. But anyways, that's another story. That's a whole nother video for another day. Of course, the sesame on the stick gives it a very herbal, like a nutty taste to it. It gives it a nutty taste, almost like the same equivalent as a sunflower seed. This one would be carrot and cinnamon, and not because it has it on the package. No, not because it has it on the package. So let's look this one up because I am intrigued. Oh, so either carrot, coconut, fruit, or chocolate flavored. These cakes are a great idea if you love puffy stuff. Padi has no meaning in Turkish, but some Turkish people call it as best packaged cake ever. Hope you agree with them. Well, let's see, because I love cake. It's like cakey. It's cakey. I can really smell the cinnamon, carrot. It's getting real. No. Nutty Max. Let's see what this one is about. The Nutty Max is 2 layers of wafer filled with hazelnut cream in between. Turkey is a land of hazelnut, and it accounts for the 60% of the hazelnuts produced over the globe. So, this should be the best darn hazelnut snack ever. This is like one of those hazelnut candies, chocolate candies that we have here. I can't think of it. I'll put a picture somewhere so y'all can see it. Yeah. That's it. That's it right there. It's like that inside out. Ooh, and then they got a banana wafer. I already know. My fat self know that this is about to be good. Pre-sliced packet thing like this. My mouth is watering right now. I can't wait. I can't wait for this. It smells like bananas too. Am I disappointed? Yes. Is it still good? Yes. Is it what I thought it would be? No. This is more of like a pineapple than a banana. It's very fragrant. It's a very fragrant piece of something. Cocoa pudding. Boy. Big boy. Let's see what this tastes like. And messy. That also has like a buttery taste to it. It's a very thick biscuit. It's very crumbly. Let's see what they had to say about it. Good old cocoa prints, the favorite snack of Turks during WW2. The circle-shaped chocolate sandwich has a history behind it. It is not fancy, but it has survived all the way through 2010s. It's a solid snack. Like if I just ate some like a salad with some really rich dressing or something, then yeah, I'd be like, oh, I need a cocoa print. Yo. Okay, I'm not making the salad, but I am 5'10", so let her know. If it's not goldfish, I don't know what to tell you. Look at my man's. He's singing it. He's singing the snack that smiles back, goldfish, and the ladies is like, oh my god, either plain or corn flavored. The fish-shaped crackers are fun. You will never be this good at fishing. Doesn't taste like the corn soda. Why do I keep setting myself up for failure? If we translate its name, we will have spoiled the surprise. Just go ahead and try one. P.S. A surprise awaits for you for the 10 seconds as soon as you start chewing. I gotta chew it. Okay. This shit is loud. Good. And last one is the cocoa cream. This is a hazelnut cream in a tube. Go big or go home. How you doing? Alright guys, so again, this is the Turkish Munchies box. It was a really good experience, and I'm sure you guys had a good experience with me. So if you would like to purchase this, I will leave it down in the subscription or the description down below. And if you could comment down below and let me know what you think your favorite snack would be, your favorite munchie would be. Thank you guys so much again for everything. Make sure that you like, comment, subscribe, share, keep sharing with everybody. You guys, we can do it. We can make it to 100 subscribers. Let's just keep building our family. Turn your notifications on. Be the first person to be the first person to be the first person to watch my video.